In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a fantastic tool designed to streamline your sales process and help you manage your pipeline more effectively. So, if you're ready to get started, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate over to Pipedrive's website. Head to your web browser and type in the address for Pipedrive's sales CRM and pipeline management software. If you haven't already done so, make sure to bookmark it for quick access in the future. This will be your main hub for all pipeline-related activities. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login option prominently displayed on the home page. Simply click Login and enter your credentials. If you are signing in for the first time on this device, you might be asked to verify your information for security purposes. So make sure you have access to any necessary codes or backup methods. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Pipedrive Home dashboard. If you're new to this interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. This dashboard is where you can view all of your key metrics and manage your activities. Once you're comfortable, look for the Deals tab in the menu. It should be easily identifiable. Go ahead and click on Deals. This section is where all the exciting work begins. Now that you're in the Deals section, the next move is to start adding new deals to your pipeline. To do this, look for the option labeled Add Deals. Clicking this will bring up a form where you will need to enter the necessary information about the deal you are creating. Details might include the deal title, value, and any other pertinent information. Being thorough here ensures that everyone on your team has all the context they need regarding each deal. As you fill in this information, remember to take your time and confirm that all entries are accurate. This will save you a lot of trouble and miscommunication down the line. Once you're satisfied with all the information, finalize the process by clicking Save. Congratulations! You've successfully started populating your pipeline, and you can always revisit and adjust these entries as needed. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you've now created a pipeline in Pipedrive. This process not only organizes your deals, but also gives you a clear overview of your sales process, enabling you to focus on moving deals along the pipeline more efficiently. Make sure to explore the various functionalities that Pipedrive offers to optimize your sales strategies further. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!